Would you guys believe me if I told you that I was able to install this tap in under 5 minutes only using this tool? I cannot believe how fast it was. Just keep watching and you'll see exactly what I mean. Like that, it's installed, guys. This tap is literally our future. Not having to cut out the shelf underneath, not having to try get shifters up in there, not having to get under and do the nut, like all of it. I remember when I first saw this tap, my jaw was on the floor. It's honestly the future of taps.